what they're seeing when they use MH Plus is they're already seeing a complete picture that all those data sources have fed into that one place, and they can spend less time like aggregating and shifting the data and more time just saying, okay, we know what it says, so how is it going to impact our instruction, how we're supporting students? But it all starts with that data piece. It really drives the conversation about what do stations look like, what do groupings look like, what does whole group instruction look like based upon what the data is telling us. They don't have to go and look at all the map reports anymore and then go to Alex and look at that report and then go pull their exit tickets and look at their exit tickets and try to figure out, bring all those together in one place.
Daily, I meet with my third grade team during PLC time. We look at different data, just really everything McGraw Hill Plus wise for specific students or anything else we need to talk about. The McGraw Hill Plus, there's a big wheel, I like to call it, and it has different standards and skills within that wheel, and each student's data is in there. So it's all online already for you. And then before a lesson, I look at those skills and I see who needs more help, who's likely to be on the lesson, who needs reinforcement, and then I can make groups based off that data.
The absolute favorite part of Math Every Day, I think, is their center rotation. When they get to interact with the other students, go to their little rotation centers. I have something planned based on how they're achieving in the MH Plus area. I use the MH Plus graphing system, the pie chart, to look at exactly where the students are in each of the core areas. And based on what they need is how I'm going to set up my centers. So if I have a group of students who are working in one specific topic, it's like, okay, let's continue with this. Then I set up my next group of 4 or 5 students. They're working in this area, so this is what I need to do with them. It all combines into one area, so that MH Plus is helping me take all these testing areas, putting them into one component, and helping each kid individually work on the skill that they need help with, which is amazing because the kids know it, the kids love it, and we just keep succeeding. They know when they go on to the reveal, it is set up through McGraw Hill MH Plus to give them exactly what they need, either as a review or extended practice. They know those lessons are for them.
I think from a teacher perspective, they don't want to spend all their time trying to get to the what students need. They want to spend their time on planning what they're actually going to do with students, right? So the big impact for the Plus feature, the McGraw Hill Plus, is that the what is there in front of them. This is what your students need, right? And let's just take that and use that time to make those activities you're playing in class the best that they can be. The McGraw Hill line of products for math that we're using is a great resource. We're so happy to have it, and we believe it's beneficial to students and teachers, and it's going to really help us to achieve great things in math.